Prior to this step, you will have recorded your videos on PhotoBooth and have saved the video files here to your desktop. I've got two examples here that you can choose from. Head over to your dock and double click on iMovie to open it. As you can see here, I already have some videos from a previous project, but what I want to do is actually start and create a new project within which to actually import my new video. You can see lovely little Chester the cat here. Head up to your file, click New Project, and it's going to open it up here for you. You want to type in the name of your project. You can choose a theme over here on the left, but for now we're probably going to stick with no theme. Choose the aspect ratio of widescreen 16:9, and the frame rate usually refers to the camera, but as you did this via your Mac, choose 30 frames per second NTSC. Ignore automatically add cross dissolve and hit create. You will now see your project title up here on the top. What you want to now do is actually import your video, so go to File, Import, and Movies. Now go to your desktop, highlight the two movies that you want to actually import. You want to go down here and choose Create New Event and give it the same title as your project. That makes it nice and easy. You want to optimize video to full original size. You want to choose Copy Files, and then you want to import. It will then start to import your files, as you can see by the progress bar. Once imported, you'll be able to see the two sets of clips down here on the bottom. You can see that first movie imported, and you can see what it is by sliding through it. You can then go to the second movie and do the same and just make sure it's imported nicely. This gives you an indication of what you've imported. You now have these two clips to choose from to start editing with. When you plug in your camera to your computer, in this instance my flip cam, you will see a little icon appear on the desktop called Flip Video. For some people, when you plug your flip cam in, it will actually launch iPhoto. You can choose to do it this way, or you can choose not to. I'll show you very quickly what you do though if you choose this way. It will bring up the actual videos in a selection here. You can choose to select all of them to import them all. So you just hit import all and it would bring all of them in. Or you could click on several videos that you want if you knew the last three that you needed and just import selected. But as we're not going to do it this way, I'll minimize this window for now. Then you want to go over to the icon on the desktop and you want to double click on it to open it. Mac kind of treats your camera as a disk, so you want to then go over to the DCIM folder and double click on that, and within that it has a folder called 100 Video. Within there you'll be able to see all of your video clips. Now you can choose to select them all, or you can choose just to select one at a time. You can see your video clips a little bit more accurately by choosing the actual thumbnail option if you want. What we're going to do is we're actually going to copy these items first to our desktop, and then we're going to paste them to the desktop like that. As you can see, they're copying over right now. Once done, you want to close this window and you want to create a folder on your desktop where you can actually save all of those videos. Name it whatever you need to name it. Open it up and then drag and drop all of those video files into this folder. This just helps to keep everything nice and tidy so you know where everything is. Once everything is copied into your folder, you can go ahead and close this folder down, as it will now be saved to your desktop when you need it to import to iMovie. Once you're done with that, you can head over to the Flip Video icon, right click on it and eject it, as you're now done with it. And now you have all your video files in a location ready to import to iMovie.